I'll jump. Go jump. Hershey's Chocolate World. Come in. Grabe, meron ditong Reese's plant-based. Hershey's plant-based. Grabe. Okay, Hershey Park. Yan, ito naman yung para sa mga rides. Okay, nasa Hershey Gardens naman kami. Okay, so we're here na dito sa Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Okay. Dito kami sa house ng sister-in-law ni ate. Kapatid ni Brian. Yan. So, ito yung house nila. Sobrang laki dito ng bahay nila.
Sa likod. Ay. Doon sa ano? Sa pinakalikod.
Sasakay kami dito. Magtutour sa house. Ayan. Okay. Okay. Nakasakay kami dito.
So, we're on 12.5 acres. Our property line runs all the way to Great.
True. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Oh.
So Andrew, if you hunt, yeah, right there, it's a two-seater,
Oh yeah.
18-foot tree stand straight up.
Wow.
Sit up there.
Nice.
Go ahead and lean in. This is our little campsite. Come out here when I have it all cut down usually. Come out here, boys, camp.
Nice. Okay, so ito yung sinakyan namin kanina na nag-Jurassic Park kami. Tour sa kanilang property. Sobrang laki ng property nila dito. As in. Nice, grabe. Kaya nito kahit ano pang lubak yan or something, di ba? So, how's your ride?
How's your ride?
How's your ride?
Noise.
Wild ride.
Ayan, so meron silang malaking garden. As in, backyard. Ayan, ito yung house nila. Hanggang second floor. And then, ayan sila nagpa-play. Tapos pwede kang umakyat dyan sa stairs, punta doon sa taas. Hanggang sa pool. May pool dito. May pond sila. Yun, may parang taniman doon, something. Tapos pag naglakad ka dito, ayan. So, pupunta to ng pool. I'll show you the pool later. Okay, so dito tayo sa pool. Ayan, so naka-open yung gate. Ayan yung pool nila. Ayan, parang storage. Ayan, pool. Ayan o, may fire pit, barbecue station or something sila dito. Meron din tong daan papunta dun sa loob ng bahay nila. See? So nice here. Sobrang laki ng property nila. Sa kanila to. Okay, so ito pa, another parang storage din. Yan. Kalagay yung mga gamit-gamit. Etc. etc. Like that. Yan. So, yun. Punta din tayo sa playground. So, ito yung playground. See, so nice. Namiss ko tuloy si Chess, Roy, and Ellie. Yan. Okay. Gavin is better swimmer than you too.
Yeah. Okay. There? Okay.
Ah! Sinasali niyo ako ah.
Just touch the ball and throw. Yeah, guys.
Ang pangit. Okay, so dito kami sa mga stores dito. So, Dick's, Joanne, Guitar Center, Five Below, David's, and diba, may Dollar Tree, may Ross din doon. This is the Five Below store. And it is famous dito sa ibang bansa. See? There you go. Ayan, so magbabayad na dito. Self-service lang. Ayan, ganyan. From your basket. Ayan. Tapos diretso na sa plastic. See? So nice here. Okay, so now, pupunta naman kami sa Dollar Tree. Ayan, ito naman yung loob ng Dollar Tree. Ayan, ganyan naman siya. Mas mura lang compared dun kanina sa Five Below. Yeah. Pero, maganda rin kasi yung ano, laman ng Five and Below. So, it's okay. Ayan. Yeah. Parang siyang grocery store, no?
Ayan. Tapos may mga ano din, supplies,
Yeah.
supplies.
Okay, so dito naman kami sa BAM. Books, toys, tech, and more. Okay, dito sa BAM, para siyang hindi pala parang, pero isa siyang bookstore. Ayan. So this one naman, giant supermarket, grocery store. Okay, so we're inside the giant grocery store.
Gonna buy some bike.
No, it's not giant bike. Ayan. Grocery lang talaga. You need to buy detergent and coffee and stuffs. Okay, just chilling outside. Gabi oh. 8 o'clock na ng gabi. Pero ang liwanag pa din. Summer talaga. Pag ganito daw pag summer sa USA. Grabe. Kaya pala inantok na ako pero wala, aga pa kasi. I mean, may araw pa. Okay, so dito kami sa Hershey Park. Ayan, yay! Hershey Factory, Hershey Park. Yeah, let's go! Yay! So, pasok kami sa Hershey Factory. And paglabas namin, marami na kaming dalang chocolates. Ayan o, may Hershey, s'mores, and more. Ayan. Say hi, guys!
Hi! Sino mag-bathroom?
Hi! Ayan. So, yan yung papasok sa Hershey's Chocolate Tour. Okay. Okay, so papasok na kami sa baking chocolate and cocoa Hershey's. Okay, let's go! Simple commitment to goodness at Hershey. So keep your group together and use any open lane kasi 5 per car lang. Ayan, so dyan kami sasakay sa ganyang car. Kaya hanggang 5 lang talaga pwede. See, it's moving. Ayan.
Hey everyone, welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. See you at the entrance. See you inside.
Chocolate tour. Hi, Kuya Andrew. Are you okay?
Oh.
Let's go. Hi. Hershey Chocolate Factory. Wow.
tropical regions around the world. And this is the cacao. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's way. We pour the blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters, which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it? Next, we quickly cool the beans and feed them into our breaking chamber. Our tiny cocoa mix. Hey, a good friend of mine waiting up ahead to tell us more.
Hey everyone! Columbia milling machines, which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into the cocoa powder, known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process.
Milk and sugar.
Every day, shining tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs. Until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kids to explain the next step in the process.
Okay, so nito kami sa world's largest Hershey's. Ayan. Like this. Sobrang laki. World's largest Hershey's milk chocolate. World's largest kisses. Diba? Sobrang laki. Oh, my favorite. Grabe. Ayan. Okay, so chocolate shopping. Ayan. Hi, Kyle! So, shopping. Oh my god, my favorite chocolate. This is heaven. Wow. Nice. And so, meron ding mga clothing. Nakalagay Reese's. Grabe, sobrang sarap ng peanut butter ko. Ayan. Hershey's. Okay, so ano nakuha nyo? Yung mga yan? Yeah, choose your favorites. Candy machine. Yay! Let's go! So, dito sa Amazing Candy Machine, choose your favorites. So, meron dyan. Yan, mga bucket, bags. Yan, tapos fill in nyo yung mga gusto nyo dyan.
You can hold your...
Yan, so meron din mga kainan na dito. Then, ayan, so may mga milkshakes din sila dito. Okay, eating pretzel. Okay, so yan naman, Chocolate Town. Ayan yung ride. See? Okay. Ayan, pwede kayo magka-picture dyan. Si Jolly, si Twizzlers, Hershey's, Reese's, and Kisses. Okay, so we're here now sa Hershey Gardens. Opens from 9 AM to 6 PM. Wow, sunflowers. Okay, so papasok tayo dyan. Hershey Gardens. Ayan. Dito kami sa loob ng Butterfly Atrium. Nice. Yan yung butterfly. Ayan, so merong isa dyan. Hello. Ayan sila, oh. dyan. Ayan, nasa pineapple. Okay, siya yan. Si Jungle Nymph. Ayan. Ito naman, Vietnamese walking sticks. Ito naman, white Steve frog. Yan.
Parang matcha.
Like you, kamukha mo. Ito naman, bird poop frog. Where are you, bird poop frog? Ayun, so small. Hi. Ito naman yung leopard gecko. Ito siya eh. Kita ko na siya. Yan siya, yan. Yan yung gecko. Dito ng souvenir. Ayan. Garden shop. Hi! Ayan. So, dito kami sa mga plants. Yan, may bunny. Rabbit. Hi. Yeah. Name of the flower is impatient. And that's you. Okay. Solitude. Scary 3.
In case somebody else wants it, okay?
Ito oh, real life Christmas tree. Ayan, ang ganda. Hanging bridge.
Di ba hanging bridge? Improvise ang gano'n. Hanging bridge.
Children's garden.
Gusto mo picture kita dyan?
Nope, I'm not a children. Na kami sa pag-visit ng garden. Thank you for visiting. So, yun lang. Bye!